Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Apple Pay and Google Pay. This integration streamlines your payment process, allowing customers to pay quickly and securely using their preferred mobile payment method, which can significantly improve conversion rates on your forms. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, enter your login credentials to access your account. This will take you to your Jotform dashboard where you can manage all your forms and integrations. Now, in the upper left corner of the page, you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This section displays all the forms you've created and gives you access to create new ones. Next, look for the Create Form button in the upper left of the page and click it. You'll be presented with several options for starting your form. Select Start from Scratch, then choose Classic Form from the available templates. This gives you a clean slate to build your payment form exactly how you need it. Once your blank form appears, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll find the Add Element option. Click on it to reveal all the available form elements. Navigate to the Payments tab, which contains all payment-related integrations. In the search bar, type Apple Pay and Google Pay, then either click on it or drag the element directly onto your form canvas. After adding the payment element, click on the Payment Properties icon. This will open a right side panel with configuration options. Look for the yellow button in this panel and click it, then select your preferred payment gateway from the list that appears. Once you've made your selection, click Next to proceed with the connection setup. You'll now need to enter a connection name in the field provided. This is just for your reference to identify this particular payment integration. After typing your connection name, click Connect With. This will prompt you to log into your payment gateway account. Enter your credentials and complete the login process, then click Save to establish the connection. Give it a moment to process and confirm the connection. Now it's time to configure your payment type. Select from the available options, Sell Products, Sell Subscriptions, User-Defined Amount, or Collect Donations. Choose the one that best fits your business needs. Each option will adjust how payments are collected and displayed to your customers. Next, choose your preferred currency from the drop-down menu. This ensures that all transactions are processed in the correct currency for your business location or target audience. To make pricing transparent for your customers, click the gear icon labeled Properties. In the settings that appear, enable the Show Total Price option. This displays the complete amount customers will pay, including any additional fees or taxes, creating transparency in the checkout process. Finally, before making your form live, click Preview Form in the upper right corner of the page. This allows you to test the entire payment flow and ensure Apple Pay and Google Pay are functioning correctly. Go through the payment process as if you were a customer to verify everything works smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Apple Pay and Google Pay into your Jotform, making it easier for customers to complete transactions quickly and securely. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.